Hey everyone, welcome back once again to Stuti Studio. For today's video, I'm using this wooden ring. This was with me from a long time and I always wanted to make something using this. So finally, I decided to make a little decorative piece using the same ring. So let's see how it's gonna turn out. Before starting, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So I'm using all my leftover cords for this particular project. So basically there is no definite measurement for the cords. I just choose my longest ones and they should be at least a little bit longer than the ring. So I started with attaching 6 cords and some of them also have this kind of joinings. Here basically I attached 2 cords together to make them a bit longer. So I'm attaching it in such a way that the knot will be in the back side and no one will be able to recognize it. So after I attach the 6 cord, I am going to secure my ring with the help of 2 pieces of sellotape and started making 3 square knots on the first row. I'm just hoping that I do not have to go slow while making the square knot because I almost use it in my every other video. After I finished with the first row, on the second row, I'm making 2 square knots after leaving 2 cords from the front and 2 from the last. And likewise make a single square knot on the last row. After that, I am making the wrapping pattern so that place the first cord in a slanting way like this and wrap the cords with the other cords like this. And when you reach in the middle, do the same thing with the help of the last cord and repeat the exact same row one more time. So this much design I only needed. Now I'm going to attach the cord to the ring. And to attach it, what you have to do is take the cord from the behind, wrap it around the ring like this very tightly and wrap it the ring around twice. So that's it. This will be super tight and never going to open up. Do the same thing and attach the cord to the ring one by one like so. So after attaching every cord, this is how it's gonna look like. Now to fill up this gap, I'm attaching some cords. And here I'm planning to make 2-3 macrame leaves. To do so, attach one extra cord. And you will be needing some small cords as well. Then attach the small cords like this, almost till the end of the cord. Then the next step will be unwind the cords one by one. Brush them very nicely until they look something like this. Now give it a nice leaf-like shape. So I am making 2 more leaves, one on the middle and one on the other side. By following the same process, and afterwards this is how it's gonna look like. So little change of the plan, guys. I didn't really like the cords hanging in the back like so. So let's remove them and add 2 more leaves on the empty place by following the same process. And this is how the final look is going to be. I just love the way it turned out, and some simple step and a beautiful decorative piece is ready. Do let me know, guys, how do you like it? And again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you again on my next video. Bye bye.